Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this problem on Windows system. What you have to do, you need to just follow my screen and we will fix this issue together. In the first step, simply right click on the start icon and open device manager. Once we are here, we need to expand the display adapters. So here it is, just click here to expand these. Right click on the particular adapter, open its properties, go to drivers tab, and we need to click on update driver. Select the first option, search automatically for drivers, and the best drivers will be installed automatically. Make sure you are connected with your internet connection. Once done, close all windows one by one. Again, go to the settings. Now in the system section, you will get display option, monitors, brightness, night light, and display profile. So click here. Once we are here, we need to set 100% into the skills section. This one is recommended, and make sure you have to set 1280 into 720 in display resolution. This one is way better than any other display resolution, so set this. And in the display orientation, set landscape. Once done, your problem will be solved for sure. You can also check out our description link to fix this issue quickly and effectively. And yeah, don't forget to like the video. Please do subscribe the channel.